Hi everyone, I'm Đinh a PhD student at Örebro University, supervised by Todder and Akim. I present our paper, Panoptic 3D Mapping and Object Power Estimation using adaptively weighted semantic information. This is my research work, Perception Algorithm for Manipulation Purpose. In particular, I'm interested in object recognition and power estimation. You can see here pick-and-place robot of Amazon and Boston Dynamics. In Örebro University, we also developing a system for picking and manipulation of boxes and pallets. In this paper, we propose a system for dense panoptic mapping capable of recovering 6D power of set of known objects. Our approach performs better than state-of-the-art on standard dataset, as well as on a more challenging dataset of warehouse objects that we collected for this evaluation. Now I'm going to cover related work, then present our developed system and report experiments results. Finally, I'll draw some conclusion. First, related work. With the advent of 3D measurement devices such as IGPD cameras like Asus Action Pro Live or Microsoft Kinect, research on SLAM has made a giant stride in development. The approaches like Kinect fusion, elastic fusion achieve dense surface reconstruction of complex scenes while maintaining real-time performance through implementation on a GPU. For the next level of robot intelligence, maps need to extend beyond geometry and appearance. They need to contain semantic. So what is a semantic map? It's a map that contains, in addition to geometric information of 3D data point, assignment of this point to object classes. However, this mapping system only consider class label. Its higher level map is instant-aware semantic map, which not only contain semantic information but also instant info. Fusion plus and mass fusion are instant-aware semantic mapping system developed recently. In contrast to previous semantic mapping system, panoptic mapping is able to densely predict class label of background region and foreground object. The example indicates the difference between semantic map and panoptic map. In panoptic map here, background region such as wall or floor is densely predicted class label, while the foreground object like chair or table are individually segmented. One of the most important components in mapping system about registration or camera tracking. Kinect Fusion allows for depth image to an online reconstructed model. However, using only depth data, tracking failure can occur in situations where environment with poor 3D geometry. Elastic Fusion and some other mapping systems combine the color and depth information according to results reported. Combined ICP increase the robustness of camera tracking across various environments. Apart from color and depth information, now we have semantic info as well. So the question is, can semantic info be useful to improve the performance of camera tracking? And this is interesting research question. Another important component of semantic mapping system is object recognition and power estimation. The goal of the study is to identify the name of object in the scenes and its power in 3D space, including position and orientation. However, this is a challenging task because of occlusion, viewpoint variation, and illumination variation. Recent work has attempted to leverage the power of the CNN to solve this non-trivial problem such as post-CNN or dense fusion. The framework shows a significant improvement of accuracy on some popular datasets. YCP visual or line mode, for instance, even so, due to limitation of single view-based power estimation, the existing solutions generally do not perform well in cluttered environment and under large occlusion. The question is, can semantic map be helpful? Can we combine multiple view prediction to improve the performance of object power estimation? Now, I will present our proposed system. In this work, we developed a system that produces high-quality panoptic reconstruction while simultaneously recovering 6D poses of objects instant. The system consists of 4 modules: segmentation, registration, data association, and object power estimation. For segmentation in main thread, the input RGBD data is processed through our network for fast RGBD semantic segmentation and weight prediction. The developed network returns a set of perpetual class probability and an adaptive weight used in the cost function. In a separate thread, RGB keyframes are processed by an instant segmentation mask RCNN. In registration state, similarly to elastic fusion, our approach also integrates both geometric and photometric cues for camera tracking. In addition, we propose modification of registration cost function to make full use of the instant class label in the process. We combine cost function of geometric, photometric, and semantic estimate in weighted sum. The weights are often from our CNN network above. For fusing semantic information, a several in background regions store a discrete probability distribution over a set of class label. After projectively associating image coordinate with corresponding circle in the map, an update scheme by means of recursive Bayesian update is used for incremental semantic label fusion. For fusing instant information, each mask detected from mask ASEAN must be associated to an instant, otherwise it will be assigned as a new object. The corresponding instant is defined based on computing overlap error between the mask and by projected mask from the current 3D map. And we update the class probability by a simple averaging scheme. By applied dense fusion, we had power of each object instant from single view and camera motion from the registration step. In the final step, we combine multiple prediction to estimate optimal power using extended Kalman filter. Now I'll show you experiment results. We evaluate our system on YCB video dataset and on a newly collected warehouse dataset. Our experiments are aimed at evaluating both surface reconstruction and 3D object power estimation accuracy. Unlike scene recorded in YCB video dataset or other, warehouse environments pose more complex problems, including low illumination, low texture, and symmetric objects under clutter and occlusion. Our warehouse dataset is more realistic, record scene with longer trajectory and more challenging under different lighting conditions. In order to evaluate surface reconstruction quality, we compare reconstructed model of each object to its gradual 3D model. Heat map showing reconstruction error. Green indicate for lower error and red for higher error. We compare our proposed system against elastic fusion at first row, mass fusion at second row, and our in third row. The same column contains different results of the same test video using different methods. As you can see, our method consistently results in the lowest reconstruction error over all datasets. An increase in accuracy is achieved when more objects appear in the scenes. To evaluate object power estimation, we use average closest point distance matrix. We report the error under curve following power CNN and dense fusion. Our system with full use of projected matte, depth, and color image from semantic 3D map achieve better performance compared to the baseline. We observe that in all cases, combined information from multiple views improve the accuracy of power estimation. We see a significant improvement. In conclusion, we have presented and validated a mapping system that produces high-quality panoptic reconstruction while simultaneously recovering the deposit of object instances. Combine geometric, appearance, and semantic cue in registration, we are able to obtain reliable camera tracking. We demonstrate that our object power estimation benefits from use of accurate mask generated by mapping system and from combining multiple predictions based on Kalman filter. Thank you for your attention.